Here comes Graeballs of ERP.
So Graeballs, you going to eat this Trinidad scorpion?
Yeah.
Yeah?
This is the ice bucket challenge.
Chew it up. Look at that hardcore, he don't even know it's going in his mouth, man.
Hardcore, you know the score.
You not feel the heat?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, that's half a Trinidad scorpion.
Fuck
His eyes are going a bit glazed.
No! No milk, no milk.
Nice.
Say a little rap then.
Get the light around and see if it light a flame. You're crazy, Graeballs.
You're a fucking lunatic, man.
You're going to be paying flat in the morning.
Do you want a glass of milk?
A little bit.
Look at his cake and that drink. Where's the steam coming off it?
Oh god, is his eyes going to swallow?
It's fucking. Did you see that, Mark? He put the amount of drinks in his mouth. There's fucking steam coming off the glass.
His eyes going to swallow.
He's alright.
Oh.
Oh no, he's fucking painful out. You can see it in his face. His neck's gone red. Everything's going. Oh, go get him some milk, man. You can see he's painful out.
Get him some milk, Mark.
Fucking lunatic, Graham, you are.
You are a fucking warrior, mate. This is
You've
going
got
on
blisters
YouTube.
in your God, look at this, that's why he's not talking though, he's not saying nothing. Fuck off! Look, it's alright, man, you can tell, look at your face! It's gonna fucking peel off in a minute! Holy shit.
He's a warrior, isn't he?
He's fucking, look at his face getting redder and redder. It's gonna be like your trainers in a minute.
You fucking nutcase.
Oh, fuck.
It burns away.
It's burning away, you man.
Don't
Look at him,
touch your eyes.
What?
You better wash your hands in case you've got any on your hands.
I think it's after like 5 minutes, it gets 10 times worse. And then after like 10 minutes, it'll be alright. Fucking hell, man.
He's a
Look, he's
fucking warrior,
fucking
man.
licked that, he's fucking licked that milk, isn't he? Jesus
You feel alright?
Christ, Graham.
Yeah.
Look at him, yeah.
Fucking nutcase.
You are a fucking egg banger.
Sign off then. Say something.
Love you. Goodbye.